Hi everybody, this is Julie from Mud Pie Jewels, and this is just a quick share to show you some items that I'll have listed in my Etsy store. These are individual packs of pre-cut 4-inch squares of material. There are 6 sets, and all 6 will be available in my Etsy store. So let me open up one of these so you can see what they look like. They'll come to you wrapped like this in a plastic bag. There are at least 25 pieces. I believe all of them have more than 25, but there are at least 25 pieces. Again, they are 4-inch squares. All of them except for one piece or one particular color is 100% cotton. They are new and repurposed fabrics. I do like to buy fabric in vintage and thrift stores, antique stores, in order to give them another life and keep them out of the landfill. But all of these are in excellent condition and have been washed and are really in like new condition. This bird pattern is a new piece. So let me show you what that looks like. You will receive at least 3 different patterns of the bird. That's a close-up. And so again, there are 3 different patterns. And when I see patterns, I mean that the bird is a little bit different. There is just plain white. A striped, and I'm not sure if, just in case, the color that shows up on your computer or your phone is a little bit different than mine. All of these are purple or white with some green in them. So this is a purple or violet color with green and white stripes. Another piece of the white, just plain purple. Light purple. This is one of the newer pieces. Purple and white seersucker. Then a purple and white plaid. Little piece of lint hanging on there. There you go. Here's another of the bird. Close up. I just love these. I think they're so cute, and one other bird. And let's see, what else do I have in here? Here's another one. This has got a little bit of green in it, some small little daisies, and of course the purple violet. Here's a darker purple. This is the one that I was saying is not 100% cotton. This one is actually a cotton and polyester blend. And oh, this one is really sweet. I love this one. This looks like little bachelor's buttons pattern, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's really cute. Here's one with just some polka dots, purple with polka dots. And I believe that is it. Yes, so each of the packs has some variation on that theme. Like I said, you will get at least 3 of the birds. Just to give you an idea, this is what I have written down of what they definitely have them in them. 3 squares of the birds, 1 seersucker, 1 purple and green striped, 1 polka dot, 3 plaid, 3 purple with daisies, 2 bachelor's buttons, 2 dark purple, 3 white, and 3 light purple. So those are basically the combinations that you'll get. So quite a bit of variety in there. So I hope you are interested in these. If you are, you can find them in my Etsy shop, and there will be 6 packs available. Thank you.